Hey everyone! V-Minutes features this time the Stāmeriena Palace. Let's explore this captivating architectural and historical monument located in the Gulbene region of Latvia. Let's uncover the rich history, fascinating stories, and remarkable features of this stunning palace. The construction of Stāmeriena Palace began in the early 19th century and was completed in 1843 by Johann Gottlieb von Wolff, the first owner of the castle. Initially built in Tudor Neo-Gothic style, the palace underwent several transformations over the years. In 1905, during the Russian Revolution, the palace fell victim to a devastating fire caused by revolutionaries. However, it was resiliently restored in 1908 under the guidance of Baron Boris von Wolff. The restoration brought forth elements of neoclassicism and Art Nouveau, giving the palace a distinctive and unique appearance. Stāmeriena Palace also holds an intriguing connection to literature and culture. Renowned Italian writer Giuseppe Tomasi di Lampedusa, married to Baroness Alexandra von Wolff, resided in the palace during the 1930s. Their presence added an air of artistic charm to the already enchanting surroundings. After years of neglect and abandonment following Latvia's independence, the palace underwent a thorough renovation in 2019. The Gulbene municipality took the initiative to restore the palace's facade, roof, and windows, breathing new life into this architectural gem. Today, visitors have the opportunity to explore both the exterior and interior of the palace. We would like to say thank you to our friend Daiga Gargurne who toured us around. Inside, we enjoyed its splendid interiors and delved into the fascinating history of the Wolff family through a multimedia exposition. Additionally, a captivating photo exhibition showcased the palace's journey from its pre-restoration state to its renewed glory. Stāmeriena Palace stands as a testament to architectural diversity. Its eclectic design and blend of French Neo-Renaissance, Neoclassical, and Art Nouveau elements make it a truly unique gem among Latvian estates. Over the years, Stāmeriena Palace has had its fair share of transformations. From being a residence to a technical school of agriculture and even an administration building, the palace has witnessed different chapters in its history. However, in 1998, it found its place as a private property, and since then, dedicated efforts have been made to restore the palace and its enchanting landscape park, welcoming visitors from far and wide. As you explore the grandeur of Stāmeriena Palace, take a moment to imagine the stories that have unfolded within its walls. From the dramatic events of the Russian Revolution to the echoes of literary inspiration, this palace stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of history and culture. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the remarkable Stāmeriena Palace. May its beauty and heritage continue to captivate the hearts and minds of visitors for generations to come.